Okay. All right, there we are. We're back. Thank you. All right, there we go. We got that. I sound good. I sound great out there. Okay, fabulous. Thank you. Um, no, I'm going to call it as it is. Why fake it? Why ignore it? You cannot heal what you don't see and admit. A lot of garbage going on out there today. It's not the way it should. I don't paint rosy pictures for anybody. I do instill hope and empowerment because that's who we are. Okay? But I tell it the way it is. That's what tonight's going to be like. I get the real messages and I get the power that goes with that. I get the inspiration. I get the true gifts of who you really are. I get to see that mostly better than you get to see that. And that's what I plan on sharing tonight. Now, of course, I mean, you see how many people that there are here. It's not like I can give everybody a connection or a reading, but I need you to listen carefully to each one I do because their message is going to help you in some way. You have all gathered here together without knowing that you were all meant to be here together because the messages for one are definitely going to be meaningful for each and every other person here. But as a special treat later on, after the break, I am going to guide you through a reverie, a meditation, and as long as you can follow me, as long as you can keep your mind open, I will give you the chance for you yourself to visit with one of your deceased loved ones or guides that you want to see or that your soul wants you to see. So each of you, because everybody is psychic, everybody can be a medium. It's a matter of just opening the door. As a matter of fact, you experience all the time and you just chalk it off. You know, you smell these fragrances of roses that used to be mom's favorite flower, and you just go, no, that's just my imagination. You know, you hear a song of a loved one come on, a spouse, a friend, a parent, just happens out of the clear blue, just play, just when you were thinking about that person, and you chalk it off. Stop chalking those things off because that's how they communicate with us. They communicate with aromas. They communicate with songs. They'll use TV. You see a television show, somebody on the, you just were thinking about mom, and somebody on the TV says some famous movie that mom loved or dad loved. That's a message. That happens for a reason. Nothing happens by just happenstance randomly on this planet. Everything is in order. We're the only ones that can mess that up.